Hey guys, it's me, Lena, and I just put together a photo compilation of some of the styles that I've done over the last couple of months. So if you would like to see a tutorial on any of the styles that you see in this video, just let me know in the comments and I'll try to get that posted as soon as possible because I have been slacking on the videos lately. And also, if you just want to view some pictures, some everyday pictures that I post, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Braids by Lena. And I'll make sure I put that link in the comments. And if you haven't already, click the subscribe button because I will be posting more videos again. And I was also thinking about start doing like learn to braid videos. So starting with the basics, how you do a cornrow, all the way to advanced techniques of feeding, big and small, twists, crochet, locks, or whatever techniques you want to learn. And also, oh, those twists are cute. I have been given a little break from the twists because they will take your wrists out if you do them all the time. Those feet ends are really cute. Okay, so y'all are going to want to watch this video to the end because y'all are going to want to see these styles. One of them might be your next style. Oh, did y'all see those two braids? The hardest style to do. Everybody think it's so simple, but no, it's definitely not. And the two braids are definitely a challenge for me, but I get it done. I love doing side braids. I be trying to do everybody's head different, but I am running out of swirls, swerves, and ways to make them go. Of course, y'all hear my kids tick-tocking toys, music in the background always. I do a lot of ponytails on the kids. They love them. Throw the little hair jewelry and decoration in the ponytail, and they fly for school. My stitch braids, they on point, y'all. Y'all see those? 2 layers with the purple. 2 more braids, which I didn't even straighten hair out to do none of them. I hardly ever straighten hair out to do 2 braids unless it's just really, really thick. And this is a mohawk, y'all. It's so cute. 2 layers for the kids. I love curls on the end of the braids for kids. I love hair jewelry. I make my own also. The zigzag diamond parts for the ponytail. And this is the junk ponytails that all the kids love to get with my handmade hair jewelry in the ponytails and string and beads and more ponytails. A lot of kids wear colored hair now. So purples, pinks, blues, unicorn colors. They love that. This unicorn ponytail was so cute. That was one back to school hairstyle that I did. More side braids. I'm getting better with the edges because I used to really suck at trying to swoop some edges, but I'm getting good now. Natural hair, no weave, and beads. I love beads on little kids. More color, this little mohawk. This ponytail was so cute with that little dab of red on the side and the one little cute purple braid in there. And my daughter's going crazy on her toy. Two more braids. I think colored string and hair jewelry just make all braid styles look even better than they already look. A little freestyle design that I did. Oh, and these small feed-in braids do take time, but I have them mastered. They are so neat and perfect. And I would rather do small feed-in braids than box braids anytime. More side braids, which I haven't done a video on, surprisingly, because I do them so much. Cute and simple styles for the kids. And this gray, I love gray hair. I think that's going to be my next color, mixed in my box braids. And my daughter in her purple hair, she loves her dab of purple in her hair. And she always picks out her own styles. Large side braids. And a simple little design added into these side braids for the kids. And some more of my perfect small feed-in braids. Okay, so we're almost to the end of the video. So if you stayed and looked through all the styles, thank you very much. And don't forget to tell me what you think. Those are crochet. I don't do those that much anymore. This is my daughter. She thinks she's supposed to get her hair done every day. Another little freestyle braid down I did. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And also follow me on Instagram because I'm always posting pictures. And at the end, the last two photos that I have is my hair of choice, Queen Bee, which I use for most of my styles. That's just about the only hair I'm using right now. And also, I'm using Shining Jam. And then I have my own Twisted Pretty hair smoother that I also use that works great for doing big feed-ins. And I will post those links in the description. Thanks, guys.